आज सब गिर रहा है, सब सब गिर रहा है. This has rice water and this one has like kesar extract. Absolutely great. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had posted a poll on the community tab to check what kind of videos you want. So a lot of you all requested for a budget friendly skincare routine. So here I am, very excited. I have really tried to put in products. It was so difficult for me to put products under 1,000 rupees. Like, I wanted to club everything together and get like a good skincare routine for you. And this is, by the way, morning skincare routine. I will come up with the nighttime also, but it takes a lot of research and everything to make sure that I give you the proper product details. To start with, I am a combination skin type, and during winters, which is now, I also tend to have like dry skin. But having said that, I've used these products only and this have not harmed me at all. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Disclaimer, just to give you a heads up, I've not added any serums to it only because serums are very expensive, and if you go for a cheaper version of it, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं रहता भाई, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं रहता. If you see a product which is for 200 rupees and they say that there is alpha arbutin in it, it is going to be there like third last or fourth last or maybe extreme last, so we don't want to get in there. So I have tried to curate like a skin care wherein 1,000 rupees में सब products आ जाएंगे, and I have tried to put in the maximum active that a skin requires for an Indian skin type. So yes, I think let's get started. So the number one thing that we do is a cleanser. Now I have a cleanser from the Plunk. Now this is great because this has rice water and niacinamide, which is 2%, which is absolutely great. It also has hyaluronic acid in it. So आपका hyaluronic sort हो गया, niacinamide sort हो गया. But my only ask is, when you apply a face wash, you should always keep the face wash on your face for good 2 minutes. I know 30 seconds be okay hai, 1 minute be okay, but I like to keep it for like good 2 minutes. I just massage it and then I wash my skin, because these are something that you're just gonna clean it off and इसके कुछ benefits ही नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. So if you're using a face wash and if it has actives in it, make sure that you keep your face wash for good 1 to maximum 2 minutes and then wash your face gently. Clean your nose area, eyes area, back of the ears, your neck, everything. Very important to remove all the dirt in there. So yeah, this is the number one product. By the way, this is for um 299 rupees. Okay, तो ये आपको डिस्काउंट में भी मिल जाएगा, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. प्लम के प्रोडक्ट्स हमेशा डिस्काउंट में होते हैं, सो यू कैन एक्चुअली चेक देयर वेबसाइट और यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक नाइका. यू विल 100% गेट दीज ऑन डिस्काउंट. सो मूविंग ऑन, क्लेंजर हो गया. द नेक्स्ट वन इज your moisturizer, straight moisturizer. So this is their kesar and kojic oil free moisturizer, and this is by Dr. Sheth. I have already spoken about the Dr. Sheth products. If you're looking for affordable products, you can always reach out to Dr. Sheth because they make amazing products. You can just put in your skin type there and it is going to give you a lot of options for you to pick from. Now this one right here, this one has like kesar extract, then it has 1% kojic acid, and it also has alpha arbutin. These are some of the actives which actually helps you to remove the stubborn acne scars that is there on your skin, and also helps you with pigmentation. If you have like pigments on your skin, it also helps you with that. Again, when you're doing a budget friendly skincare routine, you have to be super consistent with these products and it is going to show you result. Just take like a pea size amount and just apply it on your face and your neck and back of the ears. That's about it. Again, this is for about 349. Oops. This is for about 349 rupees again. इस पे बहुत सेल चलता है नायका पे, एंड ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट you check their website because sometimes there is also an offer of buy one get one free. So during that time, if you buy like these products and keep, it is going to be amazing. I'm just giving you a heads up for the products that I'm recommending. It's absolutely great, non-sticky, glides on your skin very, very smoothly, absorbs in your skin very, very smoothly. Yeah, so I love the Dr. Sheth products. And again, I have the next step is a sunscreen. So I again have by Dr. Sheth, and this is their ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. This has 1% ceramide, 2% vitamin C, 1% hyaluronic acid, and it comes with an SPF of 50 plus with a PA 3 pluses. It's absolutely stunning, great, doesn't feel sticky on your skin, doesn't leave any white cast. This retails for 499 rupees, and yes, it's great. So if you actually see the three products that I've recommended, it has your cleanser has a niacinamide and hyaluronic acid with rice water. Your um moisturizer has like a kojic acid and kesar with alpha butane, and your sunscreen has like a ceramide and vitamin C. It's always great to have your serums, but again, like I said, it does come with a price. But if you're looking for a budget friendly and you're beginner, I think these products would be great. And the last product that I have is by NMF. It is their lip care. Now I have already a sub गिर रहा है सब गिर so this is by NMF. This has an SPF of 40 plus. This is good for sun protection. If you are someone who goes out in a sun or you're traveling, like going to office and everything, you can actually grab this one. This is for just 199 rupees. अब जब इसको sum up करोगे ना, it will be around 1000 something. It will just exceed a little bit. But having said that, इफ़ यू गेट दीज ऑन डिस्काउंट्स, ये आपको 900 रुपीज़ में ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आ जाएंगे. आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड दैट वे. ऑनेस्टली इट वाज सो टफ फॉर मी टू एक्चुअली गो एंड चेक फॉर लाइक सम गुड skincare which comes under 1000 rupees, but I really did what I can. But I also added the lip care. That's the reason the price exceeded 1000 rupees. Yeah, I've already actually made a note of it. If you remove this, then the costing is going to be under 1000 rupees. So I think I'm fair. You can put in like extra 100 or 50 rupees and get your entire skin care bundle. So I really hope this helped. And yeah, I will come up with the night care routine, a simple night care budget routine also. And yeah, this was extremely small and very point to point video. If there is something I can help you with, just put that in the comments. And like always, I will comment back. And yes, with that, like, share, subscribe if you like the video and like my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.